Hi everyone, welcome to my next video in which I introduce some electronic equipment and describe its functions and the overall build quality. And today I do have the Kenwood Pro Talk radio. This is a hand radio system developed by Kenwood in the frequency range of about 400 MHz, and it's famous because it is very solid and very high build quality. You can immediately touch the quality and you get some of these devices in your hand. The plastic covers are very solid. The whole device is very ruggedized. As you can see, it has protective rubber on all the keys. It has protected antenna. It also has protected switches for the frequency change. You can adjust 60 channels, 60 individual channels, so it is possible to provide many radio channels among those devices. The range of this device is also very high because of its transmitting power. So you have the channel adjust here, and here you have the switch, on-off switch with the volume control. This button is for sending. Because the transmission is unidirectional, you can either listen or you can talk, but not both at the same time. It's not like a telephone. And these two buttons are fully programmable. To program this device, to activate some sophisticated options, you need a programming interface, which is later on put to one of those connectors. And of course you also need a special software which you can buy from Kenwood or from some suppliers, and then you can adjust more sophisticated functions. The other device you see here on the table is the Interceptor R10 FM communication, and this device is our near field receiver, and this is a scanner. So immediately after you switch it on, it scans the whole frequency range from 30 MHz to 2 GHz for some strong transmitters nearby, and it chooses the strongest. It shows the signal strength and the deviation. Originally this device was developed to search for some bugs in your environment which were hidden in walls or underneath the tables, but today I will use it to demonstrate the functioning of this radio. Let us start. We switch the device on. By switching it on, it beeps one time and is already activated. To adjust the volume, we push the bottom key. The green LED goes on and we can adjust the volume. And when we activate the transmitting with this button, the color of the LED becomes red. Now I switch the interceptor on. it already is scanning the whole frequency range. I will hold this like this so you can better see what happens here. And now I start transmitting, and this receiver already has found this transmitter. You can see this on this signal indicator. It goes up to the top limit, and the deviation indicator once again. And now I will speak some words to the micro. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 test test. As you saw, the transmitting is also functioning. This for this short demonstration. And I maybe also show you how to change the channels. I again switch the interceptor on, and now we switch the channel from 1 to 60. As you can see, it is immediately found by the interceptor. 1 2 1 2 3, and maybe once more, channel 8. One two one two three. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3. Now the amplification of my voice is strong enough so you can hear it without any problems when I'm talking to the microphone. 1 2 1 2 3. Thank you for listening. Okay, now we can put this scanner device by the side, but of course not really a scanner, it's more a near field receiver. And now I will demonstrate how to disassemble this device. First of all, we have to get rid of the accumulator or the battery which is underneath. We have here a metal lid. We push the lid up and we try with the thumb to press a lever down which is underneath the metal lid. Press it down and put the whole thing up. Wait a second. Put the whole thing on the opposite side down, of course, not up. Once again, here we go. I put it back once more. Of course, I forgot to switch it off. Now we do have everything we need to demonstrate it again. So, lid up, push it down, and the battery is released. This is a KNB-45L. It has a capacity of about 14 watt-hours. It should be sufficient for, let's say, 1 week of talking and listening with this radio. You also have a charging device. You put the whole thing like this to a stand and it is charged in. To disassemble this device, we just need to push both of the switches off. Just take it like this and gently slit it from the shafts. You don't need much force, just be gentle. So the first knob is off. Now comes the second one. Just gently pushing this thing off. So those are those two knobs. The knobs are coded so that it is impossible to put the knob the wrong way. You have the holes are not round, they are coded. You put this aside. It looks like this. What you see here is our rubber sealing, and we do have two more screws underneath, and this what you see here is the chassis of this device. This is probably magnesium or a magnesium aluminum cast. You now take the two screws off. And we are ready to disassemble this device. It's nothing complicated. Now you have to gently apply some force with your nail. You can manage to put your nail into the slot and then gently push the whole chassis up. The chassis is also protected by a seal which goes around the whole device, so you need some patience doing this. Don't damage the seal. Just move it, wiggle with a wiggle move, and then keep attention to the antenna which is protected by the plastic lid, and also put attention to the loudspeaker which is mounted underneath. You can see now how the loudspeaker looks like. It's here underneath in the antenna. So this is the whole antenna. This is the two channel switch and volume control with the on-off switch. By looking at it on the side, you see the seal, the gasket which goes around the metal chassis, and last but not least, you can see here the PCB with the components on them. So here you have the transmit and the receive circuitry, probably underneath. Here's the microphone, and here you have the digital processor to control all the functions of this radio. Please keep attention to the wonderful build quality. We have so less parts, and this device is so functional and so serviceable, you can't probably build it a better way. So this is because why I am so fascinated by the quality on the Kenwood radios. They are simple, professional, sophisticated, and have an excellent build quality. Here we go again. And I say thank you for watching, and please be welcome to my other videos. Bye.